Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create barcode in online. So let's start it. At first open our desktop. Now you can see create barcode. Now go to the any browser. Now choose from Chrome browser. Now select Chrome browser. Now open the Chrome browser. Now you can see then you show the new interface and click from search bar. Now I type from create barcode. Now you can see now press enter and we show new interface. Now many website in create barcode free. Now select from first free online barcode. Now click generator and many option answer code and liner code. Now choose from a code and data. Now type. Now choose. Now click from tick mark generate on barcode per now. Now click from download. Now we check the download. Now click. That it's. Now you can see create barcode online in is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.